Okay, got it figured out. I finally got it yesterday, which is actually early. Wasn't supposed to be here until Monday. So I guess that was a fast ship from China instead of a slow ship. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing on the Mr Carve C2S. Ivy, can you come and check to see if I'm in frame? I want all of this and me in frame. How is it? I don't want to see too much of the background.
How do you adjust it? Okay. There.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can get her open. So we got tape on the outside, of course, and staples. So maybe I should have kept it up. Oh, let's get this baby back up here. So. Oh, looks like it's a true box. So, out here slicing on the back. Oh, and now I'm gonna pull some staples. Oh, don't have to. Looks like the staples were actually for the box itself, the top. Okay, let's try this again. Must miss someplace. All that's done. Got a little hanger on here. Maybe if I turn it this direction. Have a little more leverage, so to speak. Now let's turn her back. Oh, let's hope there is a case in here. This M1 came with a case. I really wanted to know. They never ever answered my question. Either in Kickstarter, I don't have any good hopes for it, or and I don't see a case. So let me just make sure that this is in frame. Yeah. Okay. So we have our base plate. We'll place it over here for now. We have our little focusing thing so you can do items like up against the wall and stuff. It's a little loose, but you know. I'm really hoping they did not screw up on my rotary devices. Oh. Let's see here. We got, well, looks like some of the parts for the chuck rotary. So I'll put those right here. This is something. Get it figured out. Something else. A cable. Looks like some black business cards slash focusing. Little piece of metal there. Looks like a USB. It's actually metallic, it seems like. Or at least it feels metallic. Hold on. This is probably the yeah, it's real metal, so we'll see where if it just has software or something else. I'm hoping this software works a little bit better than CCAD. I'm just looking at it. When I asked what kind of software it was, it looked like it was a very nice ripoff of EasyCAD. So, got our instruction book going. Come on, I'm still shaking them dice. Make sure they didn't screw up on my rotary devices, because I had the early order where I was supposed to, oh, we got a keyboard. So it's decent size enough here. What else we got in here? We got a mouse. We have the Mises. Let's see how. There's in this here box here. And that's all that's in the box here. Because for those of you know who did the pre-order prior to the Kickstarter, and paid that little $5, we were supposed to get another rotary device. Then when it came out, it had a rotary and a chuck. So we're supposed to order one, and they would automatically send us whatever we didn't order. So here's a Wi-Fi antenna, power cable. Now, funny enough, you know, for the M1, I mean the one from X-Tool, it did not have this damn power cable in it. Luckily, I had about 10 million of them. I'm putting the little accessories on this side. So, I'm not feeling too good, but it could be under here. So here's our chuck. Multiple directions. I'm hoping we're gonna be able to use this one and create the little table so you can do pins and stuff. Here is a metallic ruler, and it's up to 40 millimeters or centimeters. Sorry, I'm an American, so I have to taste. Let's see what kind of cable this is. I like a slow unboxing with people talking, because I've like plenty of times come across something that's like, was that in the box, or is that supposed to be there, or am I missing something? And these people who will like drop the box and everything's there, you don't know what part it came out of. So when you have a mistake, it's like, huh, this is getting interesting. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, I don't think that's VGA. So I think this is an external monitor cable. I think. We'll find out. Maybe it's in the manual. We'll see. Right now we're just doing an unboxing, and I'm hoping stuff that I'm supposed to have is there. Okay, here is the main stanchion portion. Oh, God. Oh, dear God. I'm to the point where I'm almost done with unboxing. There's no rotary. So we're supposed to, if you ordered the chuck and you did the early bird thing, you know, prior to them launching, you're supposed to get the roller. They said they were gonna track it and get us our stuff. Oh, dear God. I mean, how come you just wouldn't know this, you know? Of course they were gonna screw it up, because there's still space in here. I may have a chance. I don't wanna dog them out just yet. But I'm gonna have to dog them out. It was just what I ordered, the rotary chuck, not the rotary. Here's the console/computer, since it has a built-in computer. We've got the screen here. I'm assuming a lot of stuff. Right now I'm a little upset again. So Oh yeah, there's nothing in here. Oh yeah. And you know how responsive they've been lately. Oh dear God. Oh Jesus. Of course they're gonna screw us over. Just making sure. Ain't no roller in here. No roller in here now. Oh, dear God. Oh, Lord of Jesus. Make me feel like my grandmama. Oh, Lord of Jesus in heaven. They done screwed me. They done screwed me. Why wouldn't I know they wouldn't screw me? Maybe it's in a secondary shipment. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to have to now get to the... Don't you dare get in there. Leave it. Now I got to go contact them. It's like, hey, the check order arrived, but what about the roller? That was supposed to be, free for me. Oh, dear God. They're going to just destroy their reputations, man. That Gwaiki G2... We'll see. This thing's got a built-in computer. So, should I put it together now or wait? Oh, I can barely read this damn thing. Maybe it's on the USB. Any old man vision on this. I'm just PO'd right now. Again, they screwed me. Again, I was bent over. I'm getting tired of being bent over. Okay, I'm gonna end this, try to get it up to YouTube. It's just gonna be some light editing, hopefully light editing, and to YouTube. And this is an unboxing from a dude who had to pay for it. If I have time, you know what, I have time in the morning, I know I do. In the morning, I will put this all together and we'll actually see if we can burn something down here before I take it upstairs. Already have a space set out for it, just needs to be cleaned up. I'm just gonna put it on the table with the P2, so it's gonna be to the right of the P2. And yeah, that's about it, because for some idiotic reason, you can't use light burn with it. I'm hoping they figure out something with light burn. That's it for tonight, and sorry I haven't been posting lately. So hopefully I'm gonna take a look, make sure you got all of this in the frame here, and yeah, that'll be it. Get it out to you, and now I gotta go contact X-Tool. Fortunately, it's daytime in China. Alexa, what time is it in Beijing?
In Beijing, it's 10:36 a.m.
Perfect. And it's a Friday too. And let me tell you something for those of you who don't know. China has one time zone. And if you're caught, especially in Shenzhen, or not, whatever, where the Uyghurs, the Muslims live, if you're caught with a watch that is set to any other time but Beijing time, you end up in a concentration camp. Okay, I'm out of here. So just to go over it one more time, even though I said I was out of here. So I got the little focusing thing for like putting on a wall or something, or off axis, whatever you want to call it. The main little portion here, the base plate, the chuck. Remember, if you ordered prior to the Kickstarter, you're supposed to get something, but yeah, I got nothing other than what I paid for. The main head connected to the little computer thing here. And it doesn't look like you can actually disconnect that. So they're married. Over here again, we got a keyboard and our mouse. Instruction book. This is for the chuck. Hopefully I can use it for some cool stuff over here. Power. I don't know what this is. I have a theory it goes with this. Just a theory. Focusing cards. Rest of the stuff to put it together. So I don't want to sound completely disappointed, but I got to go find out. But I'll let you know when I put it together tomorrow. And because of its weight, I think I can put it together here instead of trying to take it up to the laser room. We'll see.